Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to recover your Gardenscapes account. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So yeah, guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Gardenscapes application right here on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Gardenscapes, guys, you're going to go ahead and be greeted by this main page right here, where you can see you have all the info to get started playing. So as you can see, you have two options: to play or to save progress. So on this main page guys, when you log in, you're going to go ahead and see this, and here on the left side of the screen you can see the settings option. So you guys want to go ahead and before you log in, so let's say that you lost all of your progress and you're opening up the application again, what you want to do is go ahead and to click the option that says load progress. So under the play button, it's going to go ahead and appear load progress if you have not already created an account, or you can go ahead and click on the settings icon right here at the left side of the screen, and then you can log in via your Facebook or whatever you used to already play, where all of your progress is. So after you log in and load your progress, you can click the play button and it's going to go ahead and open up your Gardenscapes application with all of your old progress. But yeah guys, basically that is it how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.